Namaskar, welcome to daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. If we see the today's main chief synoptic features, then a western disturbance lies over the North Pakistan and neighborhood area in the mid-tropospheric levels, and in the lower tropospheric levels, a Indian cyclonic circulation lies over the East Rajasthan and neighborhood area. And if we look into the studies observed weather, then the study in the Jammu and Kashmir, the highest of 12 centimeter rain or snowfall was reported in the Udhampur, and 7 centimeter snowfall was reported over the Kawa, and in Jammu highest 10 centimeter rainfall was reported. In Punjab highest 9 centimeter rainfall was reported in Kapurthala. In Haryana, highest 7 centimeter rainfall reported in Gurgaon, and in Delhi, highest 7 centimeter rainfall was reported in over the Pusa. Similarly, in the East Madhya Pradesh, maximum 9 centimeter, and West Madhya Pradesh, maximum 6 centimeter, and East Rajasthan, maximum 7 centimeter rainfall was reported. However, in the Himachal Pradesh, maximum 5 centimeter rainfall was reported. And in Tamil Nadu also, maximum 6 centimeter rainfall was reported at one station. Today morning, the dense fog was prevailed over the East Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, and moderate fog was prevailed over the Jammu Kashmir, West Madhya Pradesh, and West Rajasthan. If we look into the weather forecast and warning, then the ongoing current intense precipitation activity very likely to continue over the western Himalayan region during next 48 hours and over the plains of northwest India during next 24 hours, and there will be significant reduction in rainfall activity thereafter. So as far as the western Himalayan region is concerned, there will be the light to moderate rainfall at many places over the Jammu Kashmir, Himachal and Uttarakhand during next 24 hours, and there will be the slight reduction in rainfall thereafter. And there also will be the heavy to very heavy rain snowfall over the Jammu Kashmir region and Himachal Pradesh on today, and heavy snowfall over the Himachal Pradesh on tomorrow and over Uttarakhand on today and tomorrow. There will be light to moderate rainfall at many places over the Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, West Uttar Pradesh on today, and after that there will be the significant reduction. However, there will be the light rain it at a few places will continue over that area. There also will be the light to moderate rainfall at many places over the East Uttar Pradesh and West Madhya Pradesh during next 2 days. Over the East Madhya Pradesh, this light to moderate rainfall will continue during 8th of January up to the 12th of January, and this light to moderate rainfall will start over the Bihar, Jharkhand, Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh during 10th of January, 11th and 12th of January, and over the Odisha and Gangetic West Bengal on 11th and 12th of January. There will be isolated heavy rainfall activity over the Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi on during next 24 hours, and Odisha on 12th of January. As far as the hailstorm and thunderstorms are concerned, so there will be hailstorm activity at isolated places very likely over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, West Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh on today, and hailstorm activity will be over Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Telangana on 10th and 11th, over Bihar and Gangetic West Bengal on 11th, and hailstorm activity will also over Odisha on 11th and 12th of January. If you look into the temperature forecast, then there will be the slight fall in minimum temperature very likely over Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan during next 24 hours, and after that there will be the rapid fall by 4 to 6 degrees centigrade during next 2 to 3 days, and no significant change thereafter. And there will not be any significant change in the minimum temperature over the Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh during next 2 to 3 days. After that, there will be the fall by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade in minimum temperature. Similarly, there will be the gradual rise in minimum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade over the many parts of the East India during next 2 to 3 days. And there will not be any cold wave or cold day activity over the entire country during next 4 to 5 days. And there will be the dense fog in the morning hours, very likely over Bihar during next 2 days, over the Rajasthan during next 2 days, over the Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh on 9th and 10th of January. So there, due to the very heavy rainfall and snowfall over the J&K, Himachal, and heavy rainfall over Punjab, Haryana, and Chandigarh, there can be the localized flooding of roads, waterlogging in the low-lying areas. There can be the occasional reduction in visibility. There will be the disruption of traffic flow in the major cities. There can be the minor damage to the Kachcha road, and there is also possibilities of damage to vulnerable structure. There can be the localized landslide and avalanche in the hilly area, and there will be the damage to the horticulture and standing crops in some areas. So you can check the traffic congestion on your road before leaving for your destination. Follow any traffic advisory that are issued in this regard. Avoid going to the areas that face the waterlogging problem offense, and avoid staying in the vulnerable structure. And this is the weather warning in the color coded and graphical form. So the because of the very heavy rainfall over the Himachal Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir on today, there is a orange color warning, and due to the hailstorm warning over the Madhya Pradesh, there is a yellow color, and in the remaining parts of the northwest India, that is Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, and Uttar Pradesh, there is a yellow color warning because of there will be the heavy rain over Punjab and Haryana, and thunderstorm activity over the Uttar Pradesh and Rajasthan. Similarly, on 9th of January also, there is a yellow color warning due to the dense fog over the Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan and West Madhya Pradesh, and yellow color warning over the Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand due to the heavy rainfall, and over the Uttar Pradesh and East Madhya Pradesh due to the thunderstorm activity. On 10th of January, there will be the yellow color warning in the central India, particularly over the Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, and Telangana area, due to the because the rainfall will start from the 10th of January over that parts of the East India. And on the 11th and 12th, there each yellow color warning can be seen in the East India and adjoining Central India. And you can download the Mausam Damani and Meghdoot app. You can follow us on our Facebook page, our Twitter, and our Instagram page for more detailed weather information. Thank you.